What's going on, guys? This is Fuzzinio, and today I'm going to do a review of FM transmitter, which is Nulaxy KM24. So basically a FM transmitter is a device which can be used in non-Bluetooth cars so that it can be made Bluetoothable. For example, in previous cars which had cassette and CD players, if it didn't have Bluetooth, then you can use this FM transmitter and make it Bluetoothable so that you can connect your phone into this FM transmitter and it will transmit FM signals. So basically your car can play music from your phone. So these FM transmitters, you plug these things into your 12-volt output of your car. This transmits FM signals. After that, you need to search for a frequency. You need to broadcast the FM from this transmitter into certain frequency, and your car needs to match that frequency or tune into that frequency, and basically you will be able to play through your phone. So you will be able to play music and also answer calls and make calls as well from this FM transmitter. You can search Google for the list of available frequencies that's not being used in your place, so that you can just allocate frequency for this device into that frequency, and you will be able to hear disturb free sound. So while reviewing this FM transmitter, the connectivity is pretty good. The Bluetooth connectivity is pretty good. It also has this USB charging port over here, so that whenever you plug in this into your car's 12-volt output, then you can also charge your mobiles and do other things from this output, so that you can just use this device and also use this output for other things such as charging your mobile and all those things. It also has got this auxiliary port which can be used to either input into this FM transmitter so that you can broadcast from FM, or it can also be used as output auxiliary. So it has also got this on-off switch which you can use to turn this device off when it's not being used, so that you can save some battery. And also the design is pretty cool. So now, after talking about the advantages of this FM transmitter, I'm going to talk about some of the disadvantages of this transmitter. The first disadvantage is that I tried using this with my Android and iPhone. With Android it didn't have any issues, but with iPhone it disconnected after around 20 minutes. So I think that's a bit of issue, because whenever I play music, then after 20 minutes it disconnects and I would have to connect again. Or one hack that I do is just turn this off and on again, so that it will restart, and again search for connectivity, and then it will then automatically connect with my phone, and I just press play button from here. That's the hack that I use, and I think it's not gonna be solved by some software upgrade, because I don't think these products have any software upgrades. So if you just got this Nulaxy KM24 model, then you just have to deal with it, or maybe get a new model. A new advanced model might have solve this issue for them. Another thing that I don't like about this product is this dongle. It's like small, so whenever I insert it into my car's 12-volt output, then after quite a while it makes the input loose, so that whenever I move this a little bit, or there was some turbulence in the car, then this used to turn off and turn on again, so that made me disconnect. I would rather ask them to make the dongle like this, and because of that I had to use this in another location of output, as I had two outputs for the 12-volt. So that's a bit of an issue if you have only one and stopped working on that output. And also in this M button you press it to activate the different modes, so that you can play using this. You also have this memory card input. The issue is that after I pressed the M button to change the mode, sometimes it changed and sometimes it didn't. So that's a bit of an issue. I haven't tried it yet, but in the user manual it says that after you plug in the aux, then the control from these panels are taken by the phone, so even if you try to use this, then it will not work. So this is basically the structure. You press to receive calls or play and pause. Here it is to change the mode, whether you are playing from Bluetooth or playing from your memory cards. And this is next buttons, and this is for the channel. So whenever you press this, you are trying to maintain the channel, so that after you press this and work this around, then it will try to maintain your frequency. Now I'm going to use this in my car so that I can show you around how it works. So now I am outside and I'm going to show you how this FM transmitter works. So guys, I think I forgot to bring my FM transmitter, so let's head back again. Hey guys, so before I forgot to bring my this FM transmitter, so
first of all, you need to plug in the FM transmitter into your car's 12-volt output. Then turn it on. Maintain the broadcasting frequency. Tune your car's frequency to the broadcasted frequency.
So I can just use my phone to play music. There you go guys, this is how you use your FM transmitter to play music or receive phone calls using your phone. If you have any questions about this transmitter, then you can leave in the comments below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Until then, see you, bye.